We are going to fight for Cwecwe and all the Cwekwes that cannot speak for themselves. Did you know that there are over 16,000 teachers that are currently operating and teaching in schools in South Africa? These are teachers that are teaching your children, that are teaching your nieces, your nephews, your neighbors, and every other child you can think of. 16,000 teachers are allowed in South Africa by the Department of Education to teach in South Africa while they have criminal records. Cwecwe has been harmed, but how many Cwekwes are going to be there until we finally stand up? So here's what we are going to do as a course of action. We are going to Google the email address of the regional or national or provincial Department of Education in your area, and we are going to ask them, how are they allowing 16,000 teachers that currently have criminal records to operate in schools? Because if they were able to close that school by saying that the school is closed because it failed to provide a safe environment for children, that means the department in itself are failing because they are allowing 16,000 teachers who have criminal records to teach our children, giving 16,000 opportunities every single day for our children to be another Cwecwe. Justice for Cwecwe, but justice for every other child that has not been able to speak up. As a matter of fact, let's tell the Department of Education in those emails the stories of all the young girls and boys that we know of, that we saw, that we experienced whilst we were in school. Whether you were in school in 1920 or in school last year, it does not matter. Send that email in your mother tongue. No time for English. This is not the time for you to try and gather the English. Leave the English alone. Write that email in isiZulu, in isiXhosa, in Afrikaans, in every other language that you want to write it to. On Monday, let them wake up and let them realize our frustration. Teachers are literally using schools as a playground for them to date younger and younger every single year and impregnate children and treat our children, our sisters, our nephews, our nieces as a dating pool instead of them being taught. But also the department needs to hold themselves accountable, because they don't do criminal checks. Because if they did, how the 16,000 teachers get into the system? How many times do they do those criminal checks? Are they a quarterly thing? Are they an annual thing? And also, what psychoanalysis are these teachers? I need whatever anger you are feeling, whatever pain you are feeling, to take it, put it in an email, send it today. We are not going to have another Cwecwe while we exist. Ne? Let's do that.
Bafowethu yazi ngeke ngaba live earlier on ngikhuluma indaba ka sisomncane uCwecwe lento yenzakalile kuyena ibhlungu lento wangampela. And ngithema ngibheka ama video ku TikTok, like wonke umuntu okhulunywa ngayo ama video nethombe nani justice for Cwecwe. Kwangikhombisa ukuthi abantu abaningi abakhuluma ngalento abantu besifazane abalwa lento abantu besifazane, thina abantu besilisa sibancane, ngizabekho bathi bancane kakhulu. Engicabanga ukuthi into efana nalena isidinga sonke sibe imbomba sibumbane, sikwazi ukuthi isilwe into efana le, ngoba ngikholela ukuthi uma senza umntwana akenziwa umuntu osifazane kuphela, kodwa wenziwa umuntu osifazane nomuntu wesilisa. Ngakho ke ngokwenzakalayo kuyadinga ukuthi sibambisane, yabona. Sengicabangela nje ubaba wengane ukuthi yena uzizwa kanjani la khona, uyabona into engisho. So nathi nje abantu besilisa ake sibe khona man, sikwazi ukuthi naye simqinise idolo into efana lena, ngoba nje nginengane nje nami ecishe ilingane naye uCwecwe. Lokho kuyangihlaba enhlizweni ukuthi uma lento le efana le kuthiwa nje yenziwa ingane yami, bengizoba yini, bengizokwenza njani? Ngakho ke bafowethu siyadingana. Kunalento abantu abakujwayele ukisho uma kukhona izinto ama-competition dance wahlangana Zulu, ngithi mina isizwe sonke masibambisane, sihlangane silwe nalento efana le, ngoba ngampela